Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I created for my nails this week. I have some new products from Missu Beauty and they are foils, nail art foils, and I absolutely love them. So I have used tips this week. I've put a fresh set of tips on. I haven't filmed it because well, you've seen me do that loads of times. You don't really need to see me doing it again. They're in a tapered square shape. And I've buffed the natural nail bed and I've buffed the tip as well to make sure that it's pretty rough in order for the gel to adhere to it properly. I laid down a coat of base coat and cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I've gone in with my brush up builder gel in the shade clear, put 2 coats of that on, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I've filed around the cuticle area and buffed that nail to make sure it's beautiful and smooth, ready for gel polish application. The gel that I'm using here is a 4-in-1 gel polish and it's in the shade Heidi and it's number 11. I love the 4-in-1 gel polishes because they are so easy to use. They're amazing and they're done within 2 coats. Cured for 30 seconds, love it. So these are the foils that I used. The box that I have is box number 4. So the nail foils are on the website at the moment for £8 plus VAT. So the first thing obviously that I do is I lay down a layer of the foil transfer gel. And that's on the website at the moment for £12 plus VAT. So I applied a coat of that and then I cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Cut out a little square of the foil that I was going to use. I was using this floral one, this pinky one. I do have a little bit of trouble with foils. I do struggle sometimes. I've got to get into the groove of it. So my first nail was a little bit tricky. However, I got there in the end and I just love this one. I think it's beautiful. So yeah, love it to bits. And you don't need any special tools, can just use your fingers to rub the pattern down, and I love it. So then I applied top coat, cured that for 60 seconds and then applied cuticle oil. So on my forefinger, again, I've already applied a coat of base coat, cured that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going in with my brush up builder gel in the shade Poolside. I love these because it's a brush up builder gel, but it's also a colour. So obviously then you do not have to apply gel polish. It's already done. And, you know, you cure it for 60 seconds, 2 coats of it, and remove the tacky layer, file off any excess, and you're good to go. Love it. So again, apply a layer of foil transfer gel, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I place down my little sheet of foil. Obviously the pattern, the rough side of the foils goes down and the shiny part is on the top. Does that make sense? I hope so. So then just peel it off and I love it. Top coat goes on and I cure that for 60 seconds and apply some cuticle oil. How cute is that? Quite Chinesey effect, I find. I like that. Anyway, so next one, I go in again, base coat, just apply that to my nail, cure it for 30 seconds, and in my brush up builder gel in the shade Baby Blush, I apply 2 coats of this and cure each coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I really love this colour. It's very delicate. It's got a little bit of shimmer to it. Just perfect for French manicures, or once again, just like Poolside, just have it on its own. It's so easy because then you don't even need to apply a gel polish, which I just think sometimes if you're trying to save a bit of time, it's just great. And I just love this colour. So yeah, just properly cap the edges, because as I've said in the past, if you don't cap those edges, there is a chance that the gel will peel off, which is what you don't want. I filed again and buffed that nail around the cuticle area, etc., etc., so that it's beautiful and smooth. Apply my my foil transfer gel, and then I apply my foil. And this one is absolutely stunning. It's a rose, or it's roses. I just love it. Love the colour of it. Yeah, just pressing it right down there, and there it is. Cute. So then again, go in with some top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but when you do put a layer of the foil transfer gel down on the nail, don't forget to cure that for about 60 seconds, guys, in order to apply the foil. It's great because I used to use a different kind of, I don't know what you called it, like a sticky, gluey thing that you used to apply foils with. And you used to have to wait for it to dry for like so many seconds, I don't know. And it was just so messy and so sticky and unreliable. I just love the fact that Missu Beauty have brought out this this gel that you can cure in the LED lamp. It just makes it so much easier to use and to apply foils. I love it to bits. So I'm just going in with the Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Bear here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and colour match the foil with a 4-in-1 gel polish. So I've got the shade Lisa, number 18. So again, I just apply 2 coats of this and cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. No need for top coat because it's already built into the gel polish, which I love. Another time saver. There's nothing better than saving time on applying nails. It's great. So yeah, second coat going in there, and I used this colour because one of the foils that I have that I wanted to use had this colour in it, so I like to have a similar background to the foil that I'm using. So again, look at that, how cute is that? So just apply the foil transfer gel, cure that for 60 seconds, and then apply the foil, just rubbing it on there, making sure that I've covered the entire nail, and then I apply my top coat. And how cute is that little butterfly? Isn't he lovely? So yeah, apply cuticle oil and I'm done. So my little finger, I do the same thing as what I did on my forefinger. I use my Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Poolside. So again, I've applied base coat, cured that for 30 seconds, and then I apply 2 coats of this Brush Up Builder Gel, curing each coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I file the nail, buff it, make sure it's lovely and smooth and around the cuticle area. After it's all cured, remove the tacky layer, by the way, before you file, otherwise your nail file is going to be a bit sticky. So yeah, and then apply the foil transfer gel and cure that for 60 seconds. So again, the foil that I'm using has this hint, this colour to it, sorry. I love this one. This is probably, no, they're all my favourite. I love them all. They're so cute. It's such an easy way of getting nail art on your nails without having to do freehand nail art, and the designs are so intricate. I would never be able to do this with freehand nail art, so this is why I love them so much. So easy to use, brilliant. And just apply top coat, cure that for 60 seconds and apply the cuticle oil and you're done. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. All the items in this video will be linked in the description box below, along with my discount code Beautified10, so don't forget to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and stay safe. Bye.